The fill-in-the-blanks H5P question type is exactly what it sounds like. It's a block of text where students are prompted to fill in the missing blanks. It's similar to the drag the words question type, except the students are expected to provide their own responses rather than dragging over pre-existing responses. As always, we'll be creating this content first in the content bank by clicking the Add button and then selecting Fill in the Blanks. I'll make this interface full screen so that we have more room to work. Like other H5P question types, this is a very simple interface to work with. You'll first add a title, which is how the activity will be titled in the course content bank. The task description, although fill in the missing words is likely sufficient already, and then blocks of text where you can enter the question text with the missing blanks. If you're adding multiple blocks of text or paragraphs of text to this activity, consider using the Add Text Block feature to add an additional paragraph. Like drag the words, there will be example text provided to give you an idea of how you should format the text that you type. And like drag the words, responses that the students will need to fill in will be surrounded by asterisks. You can also click the Show Instructions button to view more information about how responses can be formatted, though the information in here may be a bit advanced for where we are at this point in the course. One special note about the fill-in-the-blanks question type is that you can provide multiple responses for individual answers in your question. For example, the text that I have right now says, "You navigate as you learn using a browser." Based on how this is formatted, the students would have to type browser as the correct response. However, there might be students who type web browser. Unfortunately, if they typed web browser, this question would be marked incorrect. So if I have responses that have multiple correct answers, I can add a /, then type the additional responses. This / allows me to have multiple correct responses for the same question to account for multiple responses that my students may enter. When I'm done entering in the title, task description, and text blocks in my question, I'll simply scroll down and click the Save button to create my fill-in-the-blanks question.